again, welcome back to the channel. We're back at North Haven and we're on another Mustang 3800. This particular one is one of the latest ones I've ever seen built. The recorded date on this is a 2008 model, so very late build. If you know a bit about Mustangs, they really weren't built much after that before their transition through to Maritimo and ultimately disappearing forever. But Mustang 38 twin V8 petrol inboards. We're going to go through the boat start to finish. I've been familiar with this boat for a lot of years. I actually sold this many years ago, and I'll go through a bit of the history and what we can see condition wise, general condition from, you know, bow to stern. So we'll get stuck into it. So from the back on the boarding platform, full custom stainless steel railing all around, and it's quite heavy duty tubing. It's not the small stuff, not the cheap stuff, so very well done. You've got entrance doors on either side, spot for the barbecue, the bait board, and your dinghy davits at the back there with a swim ladder. These 38s are great volume, they really are. Lazarette storage back here. The boat is called Make It Happen, and as you can see, there's the full extended custom awning over the back platform here with full covers and clears. And as you can see, the covers and the clears are in really good condition, especially the clears have just been replaced. So we've had that all done. As you can see, carpets are all brilliant. We've been involved in getting this boat ready for sale, so she's just been anti-fouled, just had the prop speed, full engine service. We've got risers and manifolds on order. They don't seem to be awful right now, but we are getting those replaced and ready for the new owners. But as you can see, great volume boat. There's really only one thing that lets the boat down, and it's not even a big problem. As you can see, a bit of staining on the cockpit upholstery. It's nothing major. It can be rectified. Reupholstering out here is not a big job or an expensive job compared to all the big ticket items that have been done. The owners have been wonderful working with us to get this ready. So mechanically she's going to be exceptional. The covers, the clears, excellent. As you can see, fantastic. Up at the helm, this boat has the electronic controls and the bow thruster. We're running a Furuno and Simrad chart plotter GPS. Just fantastic. It's well optioned. Huge volume boat. We've done seacocks. The through holes have been replaced. Like I said, fully serviced. She runs incredibly well. All the work's been done. But we'll jump down below in a minute. You can see that the rich timbers and the general condition of the boat down there. So this is all perfectly usable. Don't get me wrong, it's not completely perished. It's just sadly got a bit of marking and staining. You know, we are going to attempt to give this a very good going over. But that is really the only thing now drawing away from this boat. She's been polished, the blue hull's been polished, so this has been resprayed in a 2-pack. It's not a gel coat, so it's really hearty, really does stand up to the elements. Wet baths, we've got the ice box in here with the sink. So it's basically a big esky. Store your drinks out here, and out here we have a galley fridge, as well as down in the galley, as you'll see in a minute. These are just your big 9-kilo fire extinguisher holders either side. So far, really impressed. It's got great options, very well optioned boat. So anyway, let's jump down below and have a look. As we're stepping down below, you can see this Mustang 38 was one of the high-end finish boats off the factory line, with the full timber floor and the full timber fit out for the cabinetry. You know, we've done a few of these boats over the years. I've actually personally been involved in this boat for many years now, going back about 7 years ago. I think I first sold this particular Mustang 38. It may have even been the first one I did. Interior wise, she's stunning. The upholstery down here is in really good condition. The timber work's in really good condition. It's a great colour combination, this particular timber shade and this particular bench top. This is definitely one to look at as far as finish and quality. Chase lounge down the back here. Underneath here we move into the double as a lot of you would have seen with the Mustang 38s if you've never seen before. They have some nice night lights back here, so it is quite dim, but a nice little bit of mood lighting. Hatch out to the cockpit for some fresh air. But you can see that the wear and tear on this boat is minimal down here. She's very tidy. Single head. We have electric toilet, shower, basin, plenty of storage, but all around lovely. She's got the reverse cycle air conditioning, nice big galley fridge, the microwave, the electric cooktop, the sink, again all your various storage. There's plenty of other 38s that you can compare this to on the market, and you'll be pleasantly surprised that the interior of this one, as you can see, is quite lovely. And from what we can tell, all the lighting works down here. As you can see, we've got the porthole shades on. It's quite bright this afternoon, so just keeping the sun out. But lovely down here, lovely downstairs. As always, we appreciate you looking. If you do like the boat, please do get in contact. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.